How to change country region in Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your Instagram application and then open it. Now, tap on your profile icon. You will have to make your account professional first. If you have not already, tap on the menu bar and scroll down. Then you will find an option of account type and tools. Go to there, go to switch to professional account, go to next, select what describes you, switch to professional account, tap on OK, and then once it is verified, select if you are a creator or a business, and I'm selecting business here just for demonstration. Now in order to change your country, then you will have to go to business address and add your street address, postal code, and that will be your country region in your Instagram. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.